Hello, my people. This is Jigboman speaking. Remember, I promise you guys that every first day, second day to third day of every month, you will advertise your own personal business in our WhatsApp group. So I want to remind you, because tomorrow is first day of September, please arrange your post. Try to add your number. If you have handle, try to add your handle. My brother, my sister, you don't know where you will find your customer. So many of us have good products, but nobody knows about them. That is why Jigboman gave you this opportunity, so that you can tell the world what you have. Again, we don't allow any fraudulent activity. Our team will notice you. Our team will notice you and we will delete you off. Please, try to be genuine. Whatever you are posting in Jigboman WhatsApp group, it have to be a genuine business. And to others that will contact for any business, please make your inquiry and make sure you are not going to the wrong people before you send money to anybody. The purpose of allowing you to advertise your business so that we can grow together. Like we said, if right hand wash the your left hand, the left hand will wash the right hand. Let it not be that we are only advertising only Jigbo there in our WhatsApp group. Let it be that you are involved, so that all of us can grow together. Yeah, my people, I want to use this opportunity to announce my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. My brother, my account can collect any amount of money. If you have anything for Jigboman, do not forget, contact me with my number. When the Jigboman is ready to receive any gift from you, and to those who will wish me happy birthday and bless me and send me all these wonderful messages, I thank you all. Please, I'll be expecting you tomorrow. Tomorrow is a great day. This will be called Jigboman Market Day. Every first, second, and third of every month, Jigboman Market Day. Bye for now.